Hello, my name is Darlene Clark, and I work for a counseling agency, and that is also where my field placement is. And currently, I am a community based counselor, and my title is QMHPC as well as QMHPA, therefore, I can work with children and adults. I am also certified as a certified family trauma professional. Um, Throughout my field placement, I'm basically doing TDT work as well as crisis intervention, and I also am doing assessments for therapeutic mentoring for youth cases as well as parent mentoring cases. I believe that trauma is very relevant to my future career because in all the cases that I've been faced with thus far, almost every single one of them has had a trauma history. And with that being said, I'm very passionate about trauma work. As you can tell, as I went on my own to get trauma certified for families because it has been a tremendous help in the work that I've done with my families. As far as self-care, I believe that rest is extremely important. I do ensure that I get my rest. I do also take my weekends off with the position that I'm in. I can make my own schedule, and I do keep my weekends for me because not only do I find myself working a little bit doing my schedule and such, but it's my time to do my laundry and things like that that need to be done as far as grocery shopping and things like that that you have to make sure get done every week. I also enjoy gardening, and I have outdoor projects that I like to work on since it's nice this time of year. So recently I've been doing a porch makeover. So that's the self-care that I do for myself. And that's it for me, and I look forward to hearing from all of you. Thank you.